Meaning of flare.
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 Flare. Flare can have several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. As a noun, a flare can refer to a sudden burst of light or flame, such as the flares used in emergency situations to attract attention. It can also describe a wide, outwardly spreading shape, such as the flare of a skirt or the flare of a nostril. As a verb, to flare means to burn with a sudden intensity or to widen or spread outward. Ultimately, the meaning of flare depends on the specific usage and context.